In this video, I'll show you how to get timed messages for Kick. These can help you boost chat engagement. First, go to the website kicklet.app. If you haven't signed up for Kicklet yet, I'll link the video here on how to set everything up. Then we'll jump right in. Click on Periodic Messages, and then on the plus icon. Here, you can enter a message. For the first example, I'll use something like "Join my Discord server." And here, you would insert your link. Next, you can set a time period. I'll just set it to 5 minutes for now. This means the message will be sent every 5 minutes. Now here's the key part. It will only be sent if at least one message has been posted in the chat between intervals. I usually like to match this value with the time period above. So in this case, 5 messages from viewers need to be posted before this message will be sent again. If no one writes and 5 minutes pass, the message won't be sent until 5 new messages have been posted. You can also choose to pin the message automatically, which might be useful for the Discord link, ensuring it stays pinned in the chat. Finally, click on Save. With that, you've successfully created your first timed message. Repeat this process with any messages you'd like, such as "Feel free to leave a follow." For this one, I'll set the time period to 10 minutes and the required message to 10 as well. I don't want this message to be pinned. You can also choose emotes here, like this one, for example. Copy it and then paste it here. Click on Save again. With that, you've successfully configured the next message. Repeat this process with all the messages you'd like to have on your channel. Once you're done, you can start your next stream and look forward to timed messages that will boost chat engagement. If you should have any problems or questions, don't hesitate to join the Kicklet Discord with the link in the description and ask. That's it from me with the video. Please leave a like and a comment. See you next time.